The Pete Pedro Putty is our #1 best-selling product. Guys are freaking out over this product. In my opinion, there is absolutely no better product on the market, and the reason is because of Putty's versatility. Putty provides a high hold, low shine matte finish, but the thing you're going to notice when you start to experiment and use the Putty is its incredible versatility. Pete Pedro Putty is an incredibly versatile product. If you apply it to wet or damp hair, it's gonna lock your hair into place. But if you apply it and then hit it with a hairdryer like I do, it's going to give you the lift and the volume, but still the soft, flexible hold that you're looking for. Notice the soft, flexible hold of the Putty. It's going to stay like this all day long. The beautiful thing is that depending on how you use the Putty, it's going to perform a little bit differently. One pro tip I will give you to maximize the effectiveness of your Putty is to understand how to use it. It's all about emulsification. When you get your Putty, you're going to dig out a small amount like that, right? It's a little bit hard on top, and this is okay. This is the way it's supposed to be. And then you're going to apply the Putty to dry hands, and then you're going to work it like this. This is called emulsification. It's heating up and activating the Putty. It disappears, and then you run it through your hair and apply it. Once you try Putty, you're gonna fall in love. And when you do fall in love, you might wanna check out its bigger, sexier, older brother, the 4-ounce Putty. Guys, it was such a popular product. Guys loved it so much that we decided to up the ante and create the 4-ounce. Guys, whichever size you try, you are going to fall in love with Pete and Pedro Putty.